$1 versus $10 charging cable. What's the difference? We're gonna cut them and see what's inside. Before that, let's first talk about their features. $1 cable is a 60-watt charging cable from Erdom. $10 cable is a 240-watt magnetic charging cable from Bezos. Both of them are 1 meter long, and I bought them myself. This video is not sponsored. First, their boxes. Literally, $1 cable has nothing in it except for the cable. The box of $10 cable is so much bigger and heavier. There's around a 104 grams difference, and it even has stickers inside of it and documentation. Cable-wise, $1 cable feels like cables inside the phone box. This is a cable I got from the box of Galaxy A7 I bought recently, and $1 cable is just like that. It's also a little stiff and tends to develop some cracks over time on it, but $10 cable feels premium and soft. When you compare the weight of them, $1 cable is 13 grams, but $10 cable is 61 grams, more than 4.6 times difference. It gives you a feeling of reliability. It has a 4mm thick, 1.5mm thicker than $1 cable. The thicker the cable is, the more resistant it is to sharp bending, as the $10 cable has a stronger bend protector near the end of the USB-C plug, which will greatly extend the lifetime of the cable. $10 cable has a bigger and taller plug, which will help to unplug it from the device more easily. Also, because it has a magnetic feature, the cable doesn't tend to tangle if you put it in your bag. Charging wise, it's 240 watts versus 60 watts. $10 cable can charge your phone, your tablet, your laptop, but with $1 cable, you're most likely only going to charge your phone. This is a macro shot from inside of a $1 cable, and this is a macro shot from $10 cable. Huge difference, right? As you can see, the black and red wires of $10 cable are thicker. These are the wires that deliver power. Not only this means that they deliver more power, but it means it's more reliable, you know? The outer layer is hugely thicker, which means you won't see wires inside the $10 cable soon. As the $10 cable has one more wire, the yellow wire. According to my research, it relates to the configuration channel, which helps devices talk to each other better for fast charging. As you saw, the $10 charging cable beats $1 charging cable in every aspect except price. But is it worth it? I'll leave that to you. Tell me in the comments. I think a $10 charging cable makes sense if you want one cable for everything: phones, tablets, laptops. It's also great if you travel a lot or move around while charging, because cables can easily get pulled or cut somewhere, and you don't want one breaking in the middle of a trip. Plus, if you enjoy cool features like magnetic cable, built-in display, or lighting, premium cables can be pretty fun. That said, the $1 cable isn't bad at all. It offers good quality that matches its price if you're on a tight budget, only charging a mid-range phone, or you're careful with your cables. And if it breaks, you might just think, no problem, I bought another one for $1. It's a perfectly fine option. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.